Hello and welcome to this presentation on Wikispaces. I'll show you how to edit a wiki using wiki text and how to basically see the backend markup and make some edits to change your wiki. All of these, like so for instance a code block here, how to do different examples I showed you with file examples and table examples, code blocks and syntax highlighted code blocks, RSS feeds, and also variables, so I could see different things based on who you're logged in as, how many edits. So I'll go ahead and show you here. What we're going to do is we're going to hit edit here. We'll edit, and then we'll go ahead and bring this recovered draft up. So you can see here that the backend, this is actually still the graphical part, but you can see some of these variables here get used, and they actually translate into real values. What we're going to do is go up here next to save. We're going to hit wiki text editor, and what we're going to do, we're going to add to that navigation bar at the top. So we can see that we have two bars which represent a table we're making. Every two bars basically make a new edge of the table. So we see two bars, navigation, and then we see the same thing over here, home, two bars, and then my experience links to, it says journal, but it links to a page called my experience. And then we see another one called ingress, which links to itself, called ingress. So we'll add another one here. We'll go ahead and copy this text here. We'll use ingress as an example. What we'll do is we'll copy this end one as well. So let's put a space here. And what we've just done is added a new, so we've added basically, since we have this here, we've added a new cell to our table, our navigation table we made at the top. So we'll make this, we'll call this web tool number 2. We'll just call it web tool 2. We'll put that in the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit preview. Should show us what we have, and we can see it's a link that we're going to have to go ahead and go to, and it should create it for us. So we'll save this. What we should have on our page now is the web tool. So we'll click here. This is a page that doesn't exist. We'll go ahead and edit, and we're in there to start editing it. So we'll just do a test here, save this just to get some of the content in there, and we'll go back. Let's go back to our So we're going to add web tool 2. Okay, so let's go back to our home page here. We'll copy the base of the header for this whole thing. Wiki text editor. We'll just copy this section here. And let's go ahead and take my name as well. So we can basically copy the style of everything. We'll take this one. We can go over to web tool 2, edit this one, go into the wiki text editor, put our style in there, hit save, and we should have the same look and feel in here. So what we're going to do in a minute here, I'll go ahead and add the video to the bottom after I save this video and upload it. And the tutorial will show up down here. And the way we're going to do that, here I'll show you how we'll do a video. So wiki text editor, actually I don't know if they show you on the format guide. So we have an example here for links, anchors, images, all the different supported languages for your, see this is how you would do code, and then format equals to do the different format for the syntax highlighting. But I believe they just do media file down here at the bottom for including media. So what we'll do is we'll actually use the graphical editor here and add a widget, which will be a video from YouTube, which is after I upload it. Alright, so soon you'll see this video existing on the wiki.